Have you ever hesitated to share something online because you were scared of what people might think? Have you ever thought about where that fear comes from? The fear of judgment is one of the most common reasons that people are scared to post online as a content creator. Hating how you look on camera, hating how you sound on camera is something I can relate to. This used to be me. I show you this photo because I came from a place where I used to hate being on camera to me now where I have a YouTube channel, I model, and I also act on camera. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use artificial intelligence to help you understand why you're scared to post online so you can be empowered to make changes. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, how would you get over the fear of judgment? What are the steps? Provide me an answer for each topic mentioned. Number 1, identify underlying beliefs. Start by identifying any underlying beliefs or thoughts that contribute to your fear. These might include beliefs about perfectionism, fear of rejection, or concerns about criticism from others. I'm going to show you later in this video how to identify these things through self-reflection. Number 2, challenge negative beliefs. Once you've identified these beliefs, challenge them by examining the evidence supporting them. Ask yourself if there are alternative perspectives or interpretations that could be more empowering and realistic. Number 3, practice self-compassion. Cultivate self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness and understanding. Recognize that it's natural to feel vulnerable when sharing authentic content and remind yourself that you are worthy of acceptance and belonging. Practicing self-compassion is something that I'm still working on. Sometimes when I'm posting on like Instagram or whatever, I kind of think like, does anybody care what I have to say? But I tell myself that people do, so that I like force myself to still post it. Number 4, set realistic expectations. Set realistic expectations for yourself on social media. Understand that not everyone will resonate with your content, and that's okay. Focus on connecting with those who appreciate and relate to your authentic self. Definitely have experienced this where some people love my content, some people hate my content. So it is what it is. You can't please everyone. Number 5, focus on your purpose. Clarify your purpose for being on social media. Ask yourself what you hope to achieve by sharing authentic content. When you focus on your purpose and values, it can help you stay grounded and motivated despite fears of judgment. Number 6, start small. Begin by sharing small, authentic moments or stories on social media. Gradually increase your comfort level as you become more accustomed to being vulnerable online. Celebrate each step forward, no matter how small. Super important to celebrate your achievements so you can be proud of yourself for actually like doing the thing that you were scared to do. Number 7, seek supportive communities. Surround yourself with supportive communities and individuals who encourage authenticity and vulnerability. Engage with like-minded peers who uplift and inspire you to be your true self. Number 8, practice exposure. Practice exposure by gradually exposing yourself to the situations that trigger fear of judgment. Start with low-risk situations and gradually work your way up to more challenging scenarios. With each exposure, you'll build resilience and confidence. This is something that has worked for me to get over a lot of my fears. It's called desensitization in therapy. So basically subjecting yourself to the fear over and over again until it no longer is a fear or it's reduced. Number 8, celebrate your uniqueness. Embrace your uniqueness and celebrate what makes you special. Recognize that authenticity is a strength, not a weakness, and that your genuine voice has the power to inspire and connect with others. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to self-reflect with a self-reflection journal. The entry we're going to make is regarding the fear of posting online. This is the self-development journal that I currently use. And we're just going to scroll down to one of the templates here. So I'm going to click on this arrow, and then we're going to click on the one that says navigating fear of posting online. Let's fill this out together so I can show you what to kind of do if you get stuck. So challenge negative thoughts. Number 1, what negative thoughts or beliefs do you have about being judged? So I say that I worry that when I post online and use examples from my real life that someone might think I'm saying something bad about them and get mad at me or attack me. What I've come to the realization of for how to navigate this is to basically just have a conversation with that person. I found that when I do it this way, it takes away the anxiety of like trying to wonder if they might get mad at me or not. Number 2, are these thoughts based on actual evidence or are they assumptions about how others perceive me? I have no evidence because I didn't actually talk to the persons. I just came up with that in my head. Number 3, what evidence do I have that not everyone will judge me harshly for what I post online? So I say I don't have any evidence, but a realistic percentage would be that not everyone will judge me. Number 4, how might I reframe my thoughts to remind myself that others' opinions don't define my worth? Basically, it's just that reminding yourself of what your self-worth is for yourself. Meaning you don't let other people say this to you. You don't let other people tell you what your worth is. You figure it out for yourself. Focus on your purpose. Number 1, what is the purpose or intention behind sharing this content online? My answer is that the purpose is to help people who love to be creative to be able to be in this industry by sharing mental health tools. Focusing on your purpose can help you kind of navigate that fear because it reaffirms to you why you're actually doing this in the first place. Like, why is all of this worth what you're doing? Number 2, what positive impact do I hope to achieve by sharing this content with others? So for me, I hope to at least change one person's life by sharing tools for people to have to help them with their mental health. Number 3, how does sharing this content align with my personal values and goals? So I say I want to be able to help people understand how to have tools to navigate being a content creator because I love being creative and I couldn't do this for a long time because I mentally could not handle everything from this industry. For example, all the rejection, judgment, critique. Number 4, how does reminding myself of my purpose before posting online influence my confidence and mindset? So I said it helps me to keep going when I'm getting very low views and putting in a lot of work to create this content. Practice self-compassion. Let's do number 3. Can I recognize the courage it takes to share vulnerably online despite my fears of judgment? My response is that I'm not really sure how to do this. The only thing I really think about is the fact that I was in a place one time where I hated my life and I never thought in a million years that I would get to where I am today. I never even thought it would be possible. The fact that I made it to where I am now feels like a miracle, and I feel it would be valuable to other people to understand that they can do it too. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if any of these tips helped you to understand more about how you can use artificial intelligence as a tool to help you learn more about yourself so you can be empowered to make decisions to really work on yourself and overcome any challenges that you may have with posting online so that you can do the thing that you love and be creative, because being creative is so much fun.